Hello everyone, today my agenda is that how to implement drag and drop functionality in Angular application. And you can see that my browser showing two lists here, and the first one list is that to do and second is that done. And when I drag data from to do to done like that, and data moving into the done list. And when I drag data in done to do like that, and data move into to do list. That means drag and drop data one list to another list in Angular application. That's today my agenda is that. And let's start implementation of drag and drop functionality in Angular application. And this is a project. In this project name is that material library project. And in this project I have already add some material library in this project right now. And I will be first step is that an implementation drag and drop functionality in Angular application. You have to and import drag and drop module in your app.module.ts. And you can see that here I have imported here drag and drop module and add here import package like that. And next step is that HTML part. And firstly we will be complete HTML for drag and drop, and after that CSS, and third one step is that component. Explain I will be implement in this project and drag and drop functionality with sorting. And let's start. And you can see that here in three app.component.html and app.component.ts and app.module.ts, three files showing here, and app.component.ts and app.component.html. And basically this HTML page we are using here for showing drag and drop functionality. And drag and drop functionality HTML I paste here. We can see that here, and I paste here drag and drop HTML. You can see that here CDK drop list group and to do list. This is my to do list, and binding by data to do. You can see that here check drop list data and ng for to do, and list binding from here. And the first list this one to do, and second list is that done, and binding by done data. And two different data we are binding two different lists, and we are providing drag and drop functionality. That means HTML part has been completed. You can see that here, and the first one is that to do and second one is that done list. And we can see that here, and two lists showing here, and first one is that to do and second one is that done. And paste here my CSS, and we can see that here, and all CSS written here: example container, example list, example box. And after that, and CDK drag placeholder, CDK drag animating, and like that all CSS here written. And two part has been completed here. First one is that HTML and second is that CSS. Third one step is that here and data. And you can see that here, and this app.component.ts, and on this component I binding here data to do data and showing here. You can see that here, and then inside the done list showing data here. That means two lists showing here to do and done. Data binding successfully. And after that, and we can see that here drag and drop functionality implement here, and drop event calling here, and CDK drag and drop and passing string here. And this is a event drop event, and inside the drop event pass here CDK drag and drop string. And if this condition and previous container is equal to event dot container equal, and then call this one, otherwise call this one transfer array item. Okay, showing this one error, and just resolve right now. Import here and CDK drag and drop and move item array and transfer array item like that. And after importing these things, and remove your error here, just Control S, just save this code. And now run your application and put here ngserve, just enter, and we can see that here, and application compiled successfully. You can see that here. And now just check your application, and refresh this one application. And here you can see that here to-do list and done list both are showing here. And now you can check, and if I drag data here like that, and data moving in done, and when I data move in to-do list and data showing in to-do list, and showing here to-do list and done list when I and scroll data and when I drag data inside the done and data move inside the done list, and when I go home in drag in done and move into the done, and similar like that here. And we can drag and drop in to do. And this is my today agenda is that, and create two list, to do and done list, and moving data one list to another list. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and like this video.